Welcome to Localize. In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Localize with your Squarespace website. If you haven't already, please head over to localizejs.com/signup to start your free trial and be sure to create a project. Navigate to the Project Overview page in your Localize dashboard. Select the Install Localize Code Snippet on your website link. In the right-hand column, scroll down and click on the Squarespace link. This will open the Squarespace integration guide from our help docs. Scroll down to the Add Localize to your website section. Select the entire script and copy it to your clipboard. In a separate browser tab, log into your Squarespace site and select the site that you want to translate. Near the bottom of the left-hand menu, you'll select Settings. Select Advanced, and finally select Code Injection. Paste the code snippet that we just copied into the header section and click Save. You'll notice that you now have a language switching widget on the bottom right of your site. Hover over it and select your target language. Refresh your browser. Next, we'll head back over to your Localize dashboard. Click on Go to Dashboard. Click on Phrases. Then click on Pending. You'll notice that the content from our home page has been found and brought into the Localize dashboard. To bring in all content from your site, simply visit and refresh all pages in your site. Next, I'm going to select all of the phrases that I want to be translated. I'll approve them for translation by moving them to the Publish bin. This will automatically generate machine translations for the phrases. Now head back over to Squarespace refresh your page, and you'll see that all your translations are now live.